skills. Listening. 2. Listen to a talk show with host Vicky Holmes and guest speaker Dr. Dawson. Choose the best answer to complete each statement.
Welcome to our talk show with guest speaker Dr. Dawson, a psychologist who will be talking about how teenagers and their parents deal with problems. Dr. Dawson, most parents are worried about their children getting involved in romantic relationships. What's your opinion on this?
From 15 to 19 years of age, many teenagers spend a lot of time thinking or talking about being in a relationship.
So, do you mean this is part of the teen normal growth and development?
Yes, young people learn how to form safe and healthy relationships with friends, parents, teachers, and romantic partners. This can prepare them for adult life, so parents should not oppose their relationships.
I suppose many parents will be surprised to hear this. What's your advice for the teenagers then?
Well, they should not be afraid to talk to their parents about their feelings and friendships. This can help them feel confident to discuss their relationships in the future.
So you mean teenagers should listen to their parents and ask them to listen to what they are saying?
Exactly. Most parents are always willing to lend an ear to what their children are saying. This is even more important when young people suffer breakups or broken hearts. They need a shoulder to cry on and a sympathetic ear.
Thank you, Dr. Dawson, for your very helpful advice to teenagers and their parents. Do you have any last words for them?
Parents shouldn't get very anxious when their teenage children are in a relationship. Saying strongly no will make teenagers stop speaking about their feelings. Teenagers should also listen to their parents' views and be respectful.